Welcome back to Alma's, where architecture meets art, and every home tells a story. Today, we take you on a journey through a newly designed residence that redefines modern rural living. Inspired by agricultural roots and minimalist functionality, this house, situated at the edge of a quiet countryside town, balances simplicity, sustainability, and modern family needs. It's not the P+E house by Voila, but a sibling in spirit, echoing similar design philosophies while carving out its own distinct identity. This is more than a home. It's a reflection of lifestyle, legacy, and the future of sustainable design at the rural urban threshold. Nestled at the boundary between sprawling fields and a transitioning suburban zone, the house stands where old barns once dotted the landscape. The terrain is flat yet expressive, with seasonal crops on one side and the outline of a town skyline on the other. The house responds to this duality, turning its heart towards the landscape while staying grounded in the needs of a growing family. This in-between zone gives the home its character, part retreat, part workstation, and fully connected to nature. From here, one doesn't just look at the scenery, they live within it. Inspired by the utilitarian charm of barns, silos, and farm sheds, the house adopts a language of straightforward forms and pragmatic elegance. Yet it transforms these references through thoughtful detailing, warm materials, and spatial poetry. Think of it as a farm without animals, a space where people grow, gather, and find purpose. The architectural concept revolves around the idea of adaptive reuse, not in material, but in meaning. It borrows from the visual rhythm of agricultural buildings and fuses them with a contemporary minimalism that feels both familiar and new. The structure is split into 3 interlocking volumes, each serving a different function but united in style. One volume contains private quarters, another houses shared spaces like the kitchen and living room, while the third includes storage and services. This division not only respects the natural flow of family life but also creates inner courtyards and terraces that allow light, air, and views to filter throughout. The fragmentation of the volume was intentional, creating an illusion of clustered buildings reminiscent of a small rural compound. True to its roots in sustainability, this house meets passive house principles without compromising aesthetics. Its orientation maximizes solar gain in winter while deep eaves shield windows during summer. Natural ventilation flows are carefully considered, and thermal insulation is prioritized throughout the envelope. Triple glazed windows, thermal mass flooring, and mechanical ventilation with heat recovery ensure the interior remains comfortable year-round. The house doesn't fight the environment, it works with it, respecting both climate and context to ensure long-term livability and minimal environmental impact. Clad in weathered zinc panels, the exterior reflects the rawness of rural industry. The material will age gracefully, just like old farm buildings nearby. Inside, however, the tone shifts dramatically. Natural wood, recycled brick, and smooth plaster walls introduce warmth and tactility. Each room tells a story through texture, the grain of timber under your fingers, the echo of footsteps on solid stone, the softness of diffused light against a matte ceiling. It's a dance between ruggedness and intimacy, where every surface is intentional and every detail has depth. Step inside, and you'll find a space designed around how people truly live. The layout is open but not empty, minimalist but not stark. The central axis leads from the entry directly to the garden, drawing the eye and body toward light and greenery. Rooms branch off organically, kids' rooms tucked into cozy corners, a home office with direct exterior access, and a kitchen that opens to a vegetable terrace. Each zone offers privacy without disconnecting from the whole, making the home feel adaptable and alive. One of the most defining features of this home is how it engages with the outdoors. Full-height sliding doors, cut-out courtyards, and clear-story windows ensure that natural light is never more than a few steps away. Views are framed like paintings. Fields, trees, and distant hills become part of the interior experience. Outdoor spaces aren't just leftover yards, they are functional rooms. A gravel patio becomes a dining room. A timber deck becomes a morning yoga spot. The home isn't just near nature, it is immersed in it. While the house appears modest, it hides a subtle layer of technological intelligence. Solar panels on the roof feed into a battery system. Rainwater is collected and reused for irrigation. Smart climate control systems work silently in the background. But none of it is flashy. Technology here supports simplicity, it doesn't overwhelm it. This quiet intelligence ensures that the home performs beautifully while staying true to its grounded, rural personality. It's tech with humility, designed not to impress, but to serve. This house was designed not as an object, but as a backdrop to life. It's a place where children can grow up chasing chickens or kicking a ball across the gravel, where family dinners spill out onto the terrace, where solitude, productivity, and connection all have their own spaces. The home celebrates intention, each room, window, and corridor created with thought. It welcomes imperfection. It's not polished like a showroom. It's alive like a well-used journal, a place to write memories, season by season. In a world rushing towards speed and spectacle, this house offers something radical: stillness. It honors the past without being trapped by it. It embraces modernity without losing warmth. It shows us that sustainable living is not a compromise, but a choice for beauty, function, and future legacy. Inspired by homes like the P+C house, but proudly its own, this project proves that the architecture of tomorrow may just be found in the wisdom of yesterday. Thank you for joining Almaz. Until next time, keep building stories worth living in.